Hello guys, welcome to another episode of CarWars Diecast. Today I will show you an easy way to open the moving parts car and put it back without doing much damage to the card art itself. So one thing I found absolutely adoring about Matchbox is the way they pack their car. Look at the blister, look at the hard cardboard. They are extremely beautiful and they are very superior to what that our Hot Wheels has to offer. So let's see. There are three easy ways to open a moving parts. The first way is obviously to tear it like a madman. Just tear it. I have seen in many unboxing videos that people just tear it off, take out the car. But what are the disadvantages of it? You can't resell it. You cannot get the value if you are going to resell it at some point in the future. And the second thing, they look extremely good when they are kept in these packages itself, but obviously we do want to take it out, play with them, do whatever we want. So I have found an easy way to keep the cards intact. You see the blister here? You just take a knife and you cut it around here and take the cardboard at the back and take out the car and play with it, as I have done here. So I have cut the cardboard open and I can easily take out the car and also I can play with it. But the problem is now it looks incomplete. You can't stick it on the wall, you can't display it like that, with all the dust and particles entering the car. So what you should do, here is a poster from a Malayalam movie, Minnal Murali. So what I am going to do is, I am going to take these moving parts and I am going to put it like this. I am just going to put it like this. I am just going to cut it round, and only in this part there will be the movie poster. It will look super cool. I will give you the result at the end of the video, but this is the best way to open a Matchbox moving parts and put it back or preserve it. And also I forgot to mention, sorry, you should always cut out cardboards like this, which outlines the moving parts car. See now, this is another way to display your cars, but even then it doesn't look that good, but for some people it might be enough. Look at this, the cardboard. What it's missing is just this one. See what I'm talking about? I'll show the result at the end of the video. You can watch it. Do this, don't tear it. It's up to you if you want to tear it, but do this. This is actually like super cool and creative if you have the time for it. Just don't tear it up. This is a way I found out earlier today, so I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope this will be of help to many people. I'll show you the video. I'll show you the result at the end of the video. Wait for it. Alright, welcome back guys. I have pasted the poster on the hard cardboard and I cut the edges so that it doesn't show up, and the only thing left for us to do is stick the car back like this, but I won't be sticking the car back because obviously I am not done playing with it. I just opened it. So if you could just paste it all, it would look really good. Looks really good, right? Please do tell me this good looks. This is just an idea that I thought about today morning, and I think this is the best way to preserve the card art and card intact. It doesn't matter if you lose a symbol, a part of the behind. It does look good. You can also custom with your own photos. You can take a family photo or something at the back and stick it in the right way in a cardboard. This is easy, $0 spent, and looks super cool. If you like the way we present things, guys, please do subscribe, and I will post more videos and more do it yourself projects, and enjoy.